Sorry my amazing people, this video you are about to watch is a Benin video. You understand, they speak in only Benin dialect. All right my people, good morning my amazing people, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. I remain your favorite baby girl, Anointed Lady TV. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome, and if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you have been watching me, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Please kindly hit that red button where they wrote subscribe, and also put on the notification bell so you'll be getting more updates from this channel. Let's watch this video below, guys. I will be right back.
Ibe do nebo ire otu me asokoko bo enya ogwe to wala ibe yo bigo gwalo solo bo yo bigo ma la yo boni wa gwalo obugwa o yo boge e video na yo na lao na shi o na lao o mano ize do ne anybody that can understand Benin or a little bit of Benin language, because it's a thing that involves Benin. I should have explained this thing in English, but I believe there will be no need for that. You know, it happened to me and my in-laws, most especially the mother of my wife. So the story goes like this. I want to use Benin to explain my mind so that I have never done this before. This is my first time of coming to live video because I am being oppressed. You know, I really don't know how to explain myself of what is happening to me right now. It started January of this year. Please, whether you understand Benin or not, just share this video. The people that understand what I'm saying will know what I want to say. Please, it's my first time of doing it. I believe it will be my last time to do this type of things. Lao ibe do ne no go men. Keke wadiri aye won tagbo. E video na wa gume gae. Ko e yobo o le manare. E yo bigo, yo be wa gae kekan. No make na se obe man igwalo. E o ya me we na gae. Na lao. So okana time no, but he can get gere no make na gua eba ne ya when this one at I believe it work back. So okana na do fun ebe na ebe boyi iri okwo yo wa ke pa yo pa. So okona ebo ba no sa owa na ti ebo ba no sa body on local government wa gbera uwe ute sabudu eboni ebo na ti ebo ba no sa na ye wa lagboro una ki ko bayi lagboro nigi e una gbera kwa e o ade udo se abugonoba le ya iwe ni giagia ebo puba goneki de do se we ube me o yo doni but o de na wa isube udo leze ni to re use ebo ba no sa ebo ne omobu de kere ebo ni Lighthouse Polytechnic ye ebo ni ati e wa ebo e omobu de. So ina yo wo egbe ni na ti egbe ibizugbe wo wa ba no sa wala wo wa ko mega video na wala wa ko mega video na e ba na yo wo egbe ibizugbe e na yo wo iyen egbe ibizugbe polo be wo ni o so pan ibizugbe ni kan na wo wa ibizugbe is a family name. You understand? It's a family name. So egbe ore igbinabiye ati eloko ni mewadi Godfrey ibizugbe igbinabiye. So ko ni meri na be wo ba no sa wala owo ibe wo ba no sa do ware platform na do waro e kan di ga ese wa gume waro no iyo na mi se obi bizugbe obi e pagre Godfrey na obi e no dion ona ga Saturday e pastor no ore bien tiere do Ariama Vopa opa so mobile road e obi e na bowa. The man is a nice man. Oti obo kan no dion no nupo giver ona ga itoan ni ati eye baby yizi egbe ibi owa eyen yakin itoan na si mi e Caesar na ti erima na si mi maleke maleke o teme no si wan o maleke ni oni re kun mi awoja egbe mi awoja na egbe na won mi na. So maleke ni ona si mi imade na te ye gift ibi ebo ba no sa ibi owa eyin ya kin wala owo wa go me shi o na mi to ebo ba no sa forum imam na ni ya won egbe be vitanet na la wo we need the justice in this issue wa adam yo me ni tana yin na we ni toge yo so lo bo ni atana ya we ni toge yo so lo bo no ya gun ye yin mi to ga no we pe o ya ga me emi no danger na o na ndi mo wo sa bo ya ga me. So imagine na na te ye gift na o modo be eke wanro. So imagine na si mi e Doris e o wo kin me o ko ni me die ya te weni imagine na ya we ate weni start the picture ya fe lele wala wo wa gele mi se ke na ya wash je wa ge se ke ne Daniya yiye all social media presenters wala wo wa in need justice wona emi. So e jolly o lagbode o family na ni mekana na ibi bizugbe be e wo banosa ogwa ate sabudu wa gbe ba ube go ni on local government e no be do state in Nigeria. So ina pasoko na jowa ike pa eretira aye ina re one room mama bi ye mo ka pa aro before as you know Nigeria na the mouth the pass so I was there with them mana pa akoko aro. Then this lady ni me kana ni me oboki me na a family house oriyan he me got a friend there. That was the year 2005 November 27th 2005 e ma wo yen gbe. So on to travel with the year 2008 on to travel on to buy Libya. I think she spent 2 years Wodoni okere my friend the girl my friend the girl am I waiting here marry I was just waiting for her to come back. Then she came Libya ready to stay Nigeria ni she never sent me one kobo am I maybe igore eirae or ya mezi gbe ko ina ye back in winner ira fie back from there 2009 na to dey imoto ya 2009 na dey my first car then that why imoto ni ya winner. Then she later came back from the Libya 2010. Then she came back. Ogire awe a big boy we work here even we ya you know we was see me as then. Mo we call you we Libya. If you say they got 100 naira. If you call you ya when we call back. When we call back. Or whether me they forbid to call Libya. Me na okay no problem because they love in Aro. Then she came back 2010. Then we started dating again. Maybe Zayene, you understand me? Because do me na me open no boku. Even we bo ma go paro no we ri 1 naira mene. Maybe me balamish or maybe me dakodo we maybe ma me who. Although maybe get na agbu ko shot. Am we ta do me ego. So if my ro. Then 2010 on do re 2011 like na wo come me ya ejina nia me we make system me am married ne. What do we do now? We do me make ya marry. Do we make la wo go me owo come no problem. Mana do owo ma be no ye na family as ma bi je mo pa ro mana re to wa. Na ye be do ba me. You can be marry me we no come no problem. But that is not the problem. Why when you na owo ni ya mu o wa me separate because I rented my house with my mom with my families together as a then we were living there together peacefully. Nothing we to scatter us. Then in no problem. What do you want me to do when you are? Is that the problem? Oh yes. I do have a room and a parlor. Where a base street do go away. Then my boy not bad waro. Manaro 2012 ona do ama ana do bie won e do nuzo mo wala wo e no see ina ya so mata na odi eke even wa make na understand the emenigun kan because ya do so e budo biri wa ebe no ya so nu na la wo wa go me share this the live video. I have never done it before. This is my first time of coming to live video. If I know where to make why do you come live? Why do you come to live video? You should have said what this thing. Me keep it at home. That is what I would normally tell those people. No, your live video, your broadcast. But I never knew where I will come across the kind of pain. The man pass through. The man criticizing here. So, I believe where there will be a justice in this place. Please. Just share this live video. As more, watch here. Just share it. Just press your share. So 2010, 2012, Manado be my first son. Then 2013, I think my first son now about a year and 8 months here. My second son. Then I had to be the second one 2013. 2014 early in order to travel in our dear Bona. Then from there now, why am I not about the interesting one? Then from there the story began. It is story yasuen. It is we na yeke wa making up a face in say because no fire gbele buwe koko. So 2014 I me live webo. Me say we bought 3 months. Eri na wu, e lo kan na wu, ona wu. Man ni e mi no ye o e lo kan me ni e mi no ye ebu kere o vekere because kenebu na bugbe onyo fibo. So ana ro be ni. Ijo wo kin me or ijo wo kin me keke tion or why the problem of this issue. Ide even if you are not watching my, because you know so many people cannot watch. Even if you cannot watch, as far as you are my friend on Facebook, just click on this place, share, so that you can get to Daniyayi and Niger Watch. I just please that Niger Watch. If you are able to get this my video, please put it on your channel. I need it. If you have no sir, if you only have bizugbe, atamu wana. E mata itamu wana ma wuyo ne. Ne ma ve do wuyo o ya meta de. O ya meto kana de o. E ma ewe mi na de ni wu na but if na ma wu de egbo ma. If na ma wu de a be we na we say egbo ma. So 2014 e na do travel na do live webo. E live webo already 3 months. E lo ka me na wu. E na wo ke o ta we be dia o ta wo na o ta mu go yo. Ana be we ke me ke ra me ke tie me so na gbo ama. My son nobody you body because I think I came to this Europe 90 days before the man died. 90 days and then even my God will bless one of my friends, Kevin. The boy was just like a God sent to me, and we were the same in the same camp. We came to this Europe together. Although the guy not the 50 euro or wepa la egui when the family of why stress we have better than law. Because you have found whether we can mirror and make him never wa no booking me yard by it. Now Kevin with no work big bill. Kevin work on my 5 also know he 50 euro. You know Kevin gave me he gave me that 50. That was the first money Kevin I've ever gotten in this country. May God bless you, Kevin. If you can able to watch this thing, whatever anything still in my mind, God will bless you. So Kevin had to leave 50 euro ni me. Now to go and go the buy. If tell me so now will come, no problem. They will go there. You know the way we are. I know the way better than enough. Then story began. Elaya. Then we get 2016. Osaba na we do have a blessing. Ina do doctor. Igi doctor. Ina will come. E will come. Be na mi ya ije na nia. Abo come be na mi ya ije na nia. La wo where. So when we get on before if it tell me 2014 if that was like 2015 but until we come not on oku ona mo moto wa die ona wo tamo come we when we get on oda for we pade we bodo kan ti mu jako e wa do vie ye we no do atota kin aye na we ejo obi e die we bo e to se we a owe nu yin o hand over when ye we je die we bo agba owo bi me o o kan na vi he ona vi olele ibije yana vi opa eje na we ka my way me fada no have opa na obi yon say ayi on talk pade we bo utewe je ke nu rie na re she will not come there to pay you any visit in neither to greet those my children. I will not come there because we didn't chase you away. We are not sending you away. My son is no longer around. Does not mean he marry away. He let you for me so that whenever he comes, he will hand over whenever that is our agreement before I left the country then 2014. Then Jesus way bow on a lilian on the dobisina we bizugbena vowa ebobanosa abudu otesa abudu wagume share live video na wagesi bi ebobanosa bo na la wo ni abegume na bizugbe deri mememi ni ata no magi ni mema so ebani 2016 ina odoto ina wo kan idoto since we reke ni 20 years no wala odo ni regbe amega be adigo nu we yakodo do ugbu me win na be site be din na okay no wala e na do ina wa gbe foundation gbon my wife was there and last born rin aye jolly ne photo camera no ri you know sam pamisi kanya me na jolly ni mega akoko be do bedo e jolly ni ori we ri boss bu dari be la we bone la wo wa gume live video na wa ga si bi e bo ba no sabo wa la wo wa ga si bi e bo ba no sabo. I have never done this thing before, but this is my first time of doing it. So I don't do way foundation on you. Then I don't do abo wani. So can maybe the linear so because can you no problem. I we no one. There was a day I more say nitene. Am I kind? Me go ma call him. Owe pa o ina we owe imi obo kan kekebe edede pa be eya na bo wa ina we dede edede ina we je me ma ina we owa beju ani because the person man je me ina we je me lady je me ina je me ma here. Oh man, oh but I saw your wife and one lady, one black lady. Now we know. Now you got it all wrong. Now we is a yellow person, just like me. Oh we are because can't I where you is a fair person that you know where we mere made it. You know we know. Now that can never be my mother. Immediately now the phone call up. Now where? Man we mere where take the day. Pave Edian me. Ekene ni na we hu na we sati owe no owe yin owa money get yin mi o owe yin mi o ina wo come no problem. Then I call this person again where when am worry about come owe pa we me ma be wo kun we because the boy and I we both work in the same place again in Nigeria, so he knows everything about me. Owo come ina wo come the day when me now how did she look like? Why did give him a description of that day there? Or you are he happens to be the wife of my mother. That was my mother-in-law. Ina we baby, we are getting. We work your man. I never told him. Matter was in many way something. Maybe they went there for something spiritual. Now we know. Or we me black cellophane. They were just coming out from the site. Now we are black cellophane. I never. You know why? Matia equal when they took I. Lao if you don't know some. Wagumega live video now. Wagesi bi ebo bano sabo. Where or what? Volume local government. If you ebo bano sa. Wage live video na siabo. So, you know, coming away. What do you went there to do with a black nylon? They said we are bringing her something. Black nylon. No, she never. Or we imagine with black nylon. Then I move forward. No problem. I'll get back. I will tell Mana story. Then we. Ciao. Then Mana the whole matter resolved like that. Then we get 2017 after the Niwaka were 40%, like 60% to complete the house. You know where? Is she made a tenant? Or can make the work wherever you. Please, my wife, keep on told the one room muji. What we no where they may be the other side. Oh, can we know? Oh, we enjoy. Be a kaya we it cannot even stay with my mom. In a way, what do you mean? My mom was the person not saying me the way. Based on the how do I say it? The relationship between you and my mom as at 2005 was even that is bigger than the relationship between me and my mom, my own biological mother. As at then, in a way, but in a year, yes or no, I won't know. No, okay, man, no problem. May I work for you? I can't make you. Woman, it miss where my own no marry. You know, only one single room. Imagine you, there was no German floor, there was no window, there was not. In fact, my mother said, I will go because I don't want to be paying house rent anymore. You know, okay, mom, if you said so, you can go. Then my mother went. She went there. On our here. Then maybe at what? Then already 2018, last 2 years. You know, my wife, as it is now, you must go there, this house. After some, to cut the long story short, after some argument and every other thing, then I will come to work here. Then the first month of working, me save ani. Or might say a month. It's okay now. What is all this? In a way, boy, you also women for some. At least I might dollar you for there was nothing. You understand? Why understand the again now? In order for you to live tenant, when you have a roof under your building, at least a Paco family can enable to live in that place, whether window or no window, doors or no doors, they can at least for manageable for some time. When they shocking the yard, I don't even know. Then she ran away. On of the very level, it is a bena, not itoana, or we bizu benodi on who, where Wabanosa. Wala Wagumega live video now. A justice a need, Wawaka Bawa Dami ho. A Niger Wash, please, if you are unable to get this thing, this my live video, if anyone can share it to you, please put it on your channel. Lao. Than Ijayi and every other Facebook or WhatsApp presenters. Please, a justice is what I need, either for me or for them. I understand it, man. So, I'm coming to Adivani, I'm not doing so. I'm not doing Then from there, she came back again. Another sickness from 2018 now. From sickness to sickness. From sickness, small. Again. If do me know what am I? I wanna say that I'm very enjoy what I'm again. What now we are so new one. Away my way back. Then another one me. If you treat the hospital, must have a year. Who want me? Whistle must have a hospital. Yes, so. Very 2018 on a bar. 2019 on a be increasing a little bit. 2019 on a bar. Then 2018, 2019 every day for woman. Atama where ije me atama me weni kama tamo bo kan weni egbi babo wa ni boke we ata je ne wa ma be bofo kama bo kan egbi babo wa ni boke we egbe ha ije me we tami me na on a seed the city no how can I explain this to my wife? A wife ni me say no we azen on this kama bo kan we na egbi. Now this thing is too bigger. I really don't know how to explain this or to tell this to my wife. For 6 months, in Matamokame, I was afraid to tell her what my mother is telling me. Because the thing is maybe not here, now we know. But it's unbearable now. Okay, let me start telling my wife what my mom is telling me. And now those one know baby, give me no sunu. Even where a pastor and every other person here, where who no bije me ba me o wa no boy. And not only you make a temes so in other way, if more temes so like we boy is it school okay. Oh we I put me enemy of the na put man. I put me in a one oh tata my wife is talkative. We no taleme in your moime. Wakabot and me Edo Nana Guko I mean on the radio. Nala wo. Wakabot mega live video na. Wagese ken if you ever bano saye. Even if bizu gbe oni awu me I'm not saying I'm not guilty or they are the one guilty. That is not what I'm saying. A justice is what I need in this issue, whether for me or for them. So, already ciao Mario. Already I think in order to why you understand it. So, iye me na iwo koma sisi me ize tamo kan me we gemi o we yin ni wi yo ma wa bo gba wa to bo we atama o iye me ya ito bo we atama we la wo egbi yen ba me o wa ni ebo ke oda fun we o wa na we beje iye ya din ko bo wa oda fun we yen fi yen we se dia fi wa na ni ari o we bi bu we o wa na wa ye ekekere na iye je bo wa ya occupy the place yen ma we nu wa re ku bo yen ma we nu wa we mi ro pa ito le ti ro ere ropa owu adado na ya ne dem no he gbin ba owe yin oye ni wo ko ma do we lawo we tie tun re we tie tun re ni to bi ta ma ta so wa we o ni but baba na emi ami bebe obele ade family ya so ga bodo obi owi se gbe na tie ito wan na ito wan ni ate ma ni bon ye idi age iyi ma ni bo be won ije baby ito wan o ye ni izi egbe obi bizugbe no di onoku no wa di onoku be bo ba lo sa bo wa wu mega na emi wa gesi bi bo ba lo sa bo. So awe yin o then really January this year ono do wa fun mi buye owe de gbe mara yin o ila wo na wo koma gbogbo mi go na do send €100 ge ono be ya di hospital obe we treatment kekere ono be ya di wa obe early February I think no sorry ending of February a year now. Away Bemara o, any set it alone where you want to never come amigo, another the hospital. Okpa. If I get the long story short because you are waiting 2 years, me I want wait for now boys told me that for 2 years. So now if you cannot able to watch this my video, please just click watch here in order for other no interest or no story me na ya wan egbe. No make na wash here because you don't see if you able balosa obo ni make na gumenne ibi bizu gbe bi Ansa a guy's name Merian, but Merian Wune. That man was a nice person before Kewu. So la wo wagumega a video na lao wagesi vie ivie bo bano sa boni make na gumen na ibi bizugbe emi ni wi an e ra emi ni me wi an e so that the peace make na go don adore. Then on February be year now she began to sick again. Another person who me after to go to the hospital. She went to the hospital I think for a year and so but sorry a week and some days. Then she came back. Then on reason hospital ni until no be an see me jolly ni mera akoko in Nigeria. Ona that guy ona you know yakpa misi kanya me. Edo eto da me o because edo we no me bogbo mama sebo ma who come my we no say there. Then the boy did not call he never knew woman no mera hospital ni. Where he got the wa ye do be working and I think I left since I ni me by Nigeria my yo am I we wa ti gbe am I we wa ti destroy your egbe as ye won e ma di we mana soto okon uri emelu okon wa ri elephant every day you can never fat e ma di we mana soto when you una any peace no matter how delicious food you will eat you can never be delicious so era no then the boy not worry something I not to call my wife in the hospital ni you know where otun no dion okabe gbe me dege ina jejaka ni ya te weni mwe maki no ti on jajo me mana ti jejaka ni jo ni fi oya me jejaka no bun ya te weni mwe ma wa tun jo kabe gbe me one time ruda we odi maki everlasting maki yo me gbe lawo wo wa do gbe me wa dede wa no gbe wa ran won oteme wa ko wa le lian mu ya gwa lo odo no that odo no no capable odo ni an expect no wete marry no wa ya marry e odo ni then me wa teme na e je na wa pa e je wa ajo wa me ono wa ya mu a gas cylinder never come here live. Then she went there, she took so many things with her tea in her. Ija is almost about 90 years old. It's almost about 90 years. So near to Maleke, I call him a before a lucky name where my reckon boy talk with one. Then okay, be made one abe boy you ake ya you who are wala wo go make a live video now abe boy you ake ya a live video now wala wo be do go make a live video now so if you no see tell them if you no see problem ire or if you no ya me ya di opo be bibizu gbe we owa ebo banosa odi omo local government ebo omobude ebo ni Lighthouse Polytechnic iye be sunshine hi iki na ute sabudu about 150 meters between Owa and Abudu. I'm say 1 kilometer safe. So then early March this year, I'm not going to home again. You know okay. I this up me where I will wait where or maybe no no yes. Or when we know what nothing was say kakabo. I will tell you the part of this the part no about they interested in this story. That is where we are driving to now. No, they will not just listen to my story. I'm not there with your sister. The only thing I'm just looking for a way, any alternative for her to be healthy, just the way she is before. Tell her to confess. But no matter confess, no matter how hospital bills, I'm just spending this money. In order maybe I'm spending this money in hospital, you guys are still spending. Does not mean where without she making a confession where this is what I did or about to do or what I have done before. There with she was, I think she spent about 3 to 2 weeks plus in hospital. Near the jumping some interesting part of it. Then hospital you know, do I jog up so dog boy and Joe to me, I really don't believe because if the meu ni me gi mo we ibe adio bu orobo boke to tama we mo we mi nana mini am oye bo ma no egbe o ma akun mi o we imagine adi kun egbe ara yen no o ma no egbe ni wala o go make a live video no wa get CV bizu gbe obo le bo ba lo sa o wa wala o de wa yo bi gbe wala so lo ba de yo bi go no ma so lo ba de yo bi go ni me o bi de nu we no ogun me ga yi so 2000 a year more, 2020 now. March, early March, she went back to the hospital again. Then the hospital she went, she never returned. That's my now. She went to the hospital and never came back alive. Then hospital again to make some maybe small confession. The Mekata they see for 3-4 years, like a year ago. The Mekata say, but no one take it from me. They thought maybe boy now so that but they forget where the owner of heaven and earth, which is God, or me woman, no where I me. So ene ya kama me woke o ka gboriyan audio it was no wo biere me down there the man is also a nice person. Only now what to call him a doctor exactly the way the place I stand now. Ona what him because he's doing na what him where we me la wo ne dia na we obukan ko mi which is a doris if you tie maka mi because e lo wo me owu ne e lo wo me see me man na no igbu me no ka gbe ana ye man re e do ya sunu e ni ne dia na no de na wa do ka mi re doris ko mi ye man go wo me ko is there yan ye o see me na we pa la wo ne tun dia man we e doris ire okun mi ya okun ya that yan mo at the hospital ina we ne yan said your way di me maka mi ani aka bon no ti atare mi no bologbe without a manata or logo I can never pray to be a widower young as I am. I'm a young man. It might say 80 years, it might say 90 or 100. I'm going to no matter how the big sin she committed, if she did not confess, I believe where she must be alive by now. It's now press negwan. But they were threatening me where or a woo, getting me we are be more. If may have it, more. If you are one then, obviously, I have to confess you. If you are some more year water, if you are more year, la. The way that no he or my meti gua, if you feel where you are. You know what? I feel where you are. No problem because after all, no wala. No problem. A problem is any. But the bigger thing you did, if you have said those things earlier, maybe it will take away where sick is hospital now. My way to where do. So then on the 17th of April, she died. She gave up in the night. But you know there. Matter call him here we can we now. Now why we now where? Now where? What when aware? Why am na American women ogbe edobisi. Ije meki ma bejo eje mo gbagbe edobisi. Then when am me maleke we come me na be na dia where ekenu wajo aka e we edobisi u bugbe. Ni ye me la wo no ya bo no nderun ne. My mother went to the hospital to pray for her where whatever you did, the wete ugume not go back to you. I please to God to forgive you so that you can stand on your feet again. My mother went to the hospital to pray for her. Omayoa, you. So why are you now pointing and accusing finger to our direction? We might go Dobis. Now Dobis is wound in here. Baki Bereji. Why we know what Bereji now? What I gig. What either? Force in Noah. I would know wound. Let's calm down. Because there's a problem no roto. Nama yeta. Wala wo wagumega live video now. Wageso bibi bizugbe. Wa. Wageso bibi bizugbe. Ibizugbe ni kana. Ibizugbe is a large family in Owa. Ibi bizugbe, ibi Godfrey, igbinabi ibizugbe late or wune. So we are not doing or a Saturday solo kata or a guy's name or he is a pastor or radiama. The man is a humble person, is a responsible and a respectable person. The man before making this live video, he called a benawe page me. Or what my in-law. La wo e mata na won maka me ibije me eyin akin ekenu ewo asian so otherwise obo ada that was an original no dion time me baba na 20 or 15 minutes ago e metamu we na where you should drag them to early length you want to go. So another way yen e woke up man so ko wa me kan bere eji o e dia mu go yo hun ne o ne me la na we I ti bere e yo wana because omana or confess we if you where you are. Edi ete we ni ja owi ewu edi ete wonu na no wate ka ya awe before adoje toto e inoro na bele na me woke up and also no wagin bo ka gbogin. My father went to the head of the family which is the Okagbe. Then Okagbe ni woke up in order to show some solidarity to the family who lost their sister or Giau na is on this or wune do ya zone and do ya bury a part of my house. Ni me ata me ani when I bury a part of my house. I when it die, the maleke iredi ni maleke gas name owe. And you beso who you want ya. Or we bia when I bury to be see outside the women. The man when I bury a you when no. I don't go wound you can bury hide anywhere. And I do ya what you want to go come. Dia bury outside. Why are you taking now bury you be my one they are just the first one is about 10 years. The second one is also I think 8 years plus. No, we bury the person you want no who you can why tell you no bia or you quit on guana. As I speak with you now, believe you me that is listening to me. So a team that film a team working now and this their elder brother they are just like a cataract because we money or say the truth where la wo in my way ye geleli and do vie me obokan that's all I agree my wo is punish obokan we everywhere we punish no in my to be as a clergy person maybe the man must have went far to do some verification in order to believe what we were saying. So the man I have went far to do some verification to know whether we are saying the truth or not the truth. The man is including me as I speak now. The man is still telling me my in-law for what I have done before. You forgive me. You can deal with anybody you want to deal with. So now if I were a problem because you were acting on what they were telling you because you are not living in my house. You don't even know what is happening there. If you are acting for any other thing you will receive from your sisters or your brother, that is how you take the issue because you are the head. You are now the eldest son to the family. You are just like a father to my wife. Although where but like a father to her. Then imagine that walking you will boy to send you another way the better that betting away ya way be motor in other one near do passes on stress video another bury on then the thing ya na making tomorrow we more bear or not confessing okay who are you taking we more bear that is not the problem now. The interesting part of this story already last month after the burial maybe not just one car. My own first son, Metamu, and the second one. Yes, one car with daddy, please. We have something to tell you. Now, what do you have to say? What in water? Nila wo, ni forgiving. That again, these people they are young. If you can't man, mechanic doing where Ijie no hua, Azeno, that Ijie no hua, or the Azene, Ijie na very near Eva. You know, but are you aware that your mother is late? Oh, well, yes. You know, but what you are saying now, it sounds so funny or strange in my ear. Or whether you cannot understand. As they no care, you know, I'm not going justice. I also suppose need hide some part of it. But you know, here a lawyer, a case he agrees on my, a matter my, the lawyer can not have court. Because the matter that is why I'm telling you guys the real truth. While I make a live video now. What guess so be your banosa? If you have banosa or what? Or local government. What is Abudu? While I will. Emmanuel bon no be now. The so much but while I will. Yeah, the when ni care wound the man make na kaboji me o but only fee here. Then if you do aka we jian no hua die mi ni yak bije me because the monarch women value we bury an here we have monarch me na wa mo be jian wo ne wa mo so me I not the only person where I have 100%, in fact over 100% to carry those children from wherever they are to my house because mo be I have a family in Nigeria you going my women be Nigeria can ba so and I have here since the man have given me the support as I speak with you now. This man is an enemy to his own family because of me. This is the headest family, the headest son to my wife's family. You know the pastor no. And when you meet him in a matter, near one matter, near a biego, a lady now, we wuji. She we are very about 100%, in fact above 100% wrong the mother-in-law. The mother-in-law wanted the wife to stay, but the wife does not want the mother-in-law to stay. You know, it's something of a year. You may own working may stay, but my wife does not want my mother to stay in my house. It's impossible. She wanted to kill my mother away in order for her family or for her mother to retain my house. Well, I understand the video. We're going to make a live video now because I just have some few minutes to deliberate on this issue in order to get justice from many other persons. So, then Obi many confess with daddy. This house when we did so they bury some people. In a way, how do you know? In a way, so in a way, I reflect some months ago, about a year ago. The car come we with a plaster of it with your mom. She denied. Even in a sick bed, she was still denying. Anyway, but how do you know those things you are talking about? Aware that although he is a small boy, but only he is small. Where he no hua or bado bury me mana. No make it in order for them to be staying in this house, which is the wife of my family. They collaborate together to keep my mother away from that house so that they can now be the caretaker of the house. Now, are you sure you are telling me the truth? Or when yes, or when now ni or see ni manati stay your one long. Ni na home. If now ni I no bijeme or bijie. You know, are you sure? You are just a small boy, 10 years old. Are you sure of what you are saying? Or when yes, that I'm telling you the real truth. The only thing you have to do, take them to any pastor, always strong pastor. Because if you take them to anywhere, they can never agree what I'm saying now. Or we no hua, azen no hua, no, or the azen Nigerian. The Nigerian no hua, kekeve, obigien, that is obigien no hua no dionoko, which is easy with the Canaba baby, not Yaitoa, the Bobado Sabo. Wakumega live video na wala, Wakumega Agai, Wagasi Bobado Sabo. Wala wagesi bi bizugbe bo ibizugbe bu won tagmo bi bizugbe no kebo banu sa bo wa to the local government kana e bo banu sa owa utese owa at least the village was called waka atie before I can fear with here at the good yakin obanosa enogi le ba do yakin e bo banosa. The village was called Owa before in Odiom local government. After Ubi wagbero goneki ulago dao Dodo Subi, why Subi, Usowa before Kesabudu. Then from there, Ogan. Then why Sogan, okay, to say Agbo, then maybe East were really. So, I got to work on my near 10 years old, which is my son, my little boy. Or when he 10 years nowhere. 18 issue woo, the 18 you were lost him, maybe 10 years old. The thing sounds so strange in my ear. And man, no worry, no man, my worry, I see here. You know, come on, let me do it. And I think as Mr. JB no wobe, and no get no people by Bobe. Maybe Walibun, now I share live video on a wabi on. That is early last month. And I think as they came. Then I used to my first son, Omagua, Iana Balonu, Omagua, the last one. Or is the Dabita where yes, EJ, now you give my mama wish, now my mama, now you give us wish. When I be one do something, take it EJ. So now that thing, now I can kill mama, which is my wife. No, it's wounded. She died on the 17th of April. Then she was buried on the 8th of May this year. I spent those money for it. I spent a lot of money for it. Then a matter of already on you, and then I think over okay. They came the first day. They don't get any work on my sister. Mammy to here now. Next week Wednesday, what will they be? The other Wednesday came. The Yamari. They don't get any work on my sister. Yamari. With the baby now which is the last Wednesday no work with today is Saturday now. The last Wednesday no good if they will come again and they refuse to come. But they came once. Amu wazen we married. Amu until agu we or we no yagbo we oba ya was we mi came ya no yagbe obiwa even just the daughter no be wu now. But who we na making women ogbo woki me irije me ogbe oboki me. My son now make aware if he buy your worry ne that Ijien ga friend the boy pa in the presence of Ijien no what. But your mother deny we my boyfriend the way my feel where you are in my with me or whether they when I lie or why no I know the man's name. You know what's his name? Or where his name is Mr. Ben. He normally come to our house even when we were still living in our Ije's house, which is Ijien no what. Or where a man even since they packed to my house, the man with you one upa. You know, can you describe the day? I'm not to describe the day where there was a day. My mom, my own person, my own biological mom, we are asking my wife, who is this person? Or where or where or Tiano, or where that man is not our brother. A man or a boyfriend Ijien. But let's forget about the story because no man nowhere Ijien and nowhere or lily man Ijien wune. So believe you me, as I speak right now, these people refuse to answer the Enoge's palace. What step do I take again? Because these people, they got to where if you see the capitals of those two children, nobody will tell you where they are really possessed. They are really possessed where Azanya Gelehi. You will not even need another seer or a native doctor or a pastor to tell you where these people they are witch. In fact, a Bible where by their food we shall know them. For their characters and their behavior, in fact, they are present in front of you. You will know that those people they are witch. So, in order not to take too much of your time, please, we're going to make a live video now. How do I say it? Already enogi because I cannot just swing into action without involving the enogis of the area. Now they are taking the enogi for granted. I need another fundamental procedure, you know that, and that is another way. Where do I go from here? That a government, which is my first one, where family make sure where he bring my mothers to grave. Even to say as son and metamu now today's date now is about I think today is 20, I'll be 21. I believe today is 20. So October 2020, November 2020. Today's date is okay. Okay, 21. Today's date is 21, Saturday. On November 2020. Please share this my broadcast to any platform, most especially Nigeria Watch, Dan Ijayi, and so many other social media presenters. I need where do I go from here, or what do I do next? They refuse to answer the enogi. Amu wazen. No care of every bona, only wishing azen, no care wishing azen. We must go to the authority, Canasian, they are Zengelino, they are Zen. And me what about where you are Zen, Manon, we have then why we radio. Was supposed no see Mebolua, Wobu Wawu, Wamasi Mebolua. You know what come on, what Gabia because they are fond of doing one thing. Omaga wo 100 200 years of money gaji ti ama wa me na a language in way oma wa ma ama means e man put aya tie ye in me ya hon when I was young begani but when e be so aye bo ni na me wo ma wu ni we ta ama o ama na we ba be ti ama ye we ta tie ye de gli ya e ba ye bo ni me na do e be fake ye do amomu so on no work bomani o mani wagele wata womani ogbe die to bo wa gbegbe o wa beta that's the wa be akin o wa beta ina can be family of can we wage awo na emi yen we no wa da wa we ohun wo paka zero yo no ke we yen mo bobo. That was on the 18th of April this year, because she died on the 17th. You know when I bury instantly. No, it's not done that way. At least we don't making. Let's do some research or some verification in order to understand where the sudden death came from. But no one give me a listening ear. They went here broadcasting within the family. Even as I speak with you right now, some of the family members they may be reported to where this is the development of land. You may come and where bronze so they may be the way pa maya hon aware wawagbe. They will me walk boy, they so young, so waffing out, so mad so that was a wrong story. If I told you matter let God strike me dead. Let God strike me dead instantly. Anything if I have said nido he needed justice, it can never be done. He needed justice, no, it can never be done. I don't say the real truth. And everything that had happened, no since then, that is what I have just said now. Wala wo if he bizugbe no kebo ba no save bowa ne solo kata then banana ito iye baby no ke na ga Caesar Prince Caesar bizugbe then jolly no ro oni olagbo oni jolly PhD wa gogo le any talent all adian eni Facebook is one of to you know answer my jolly PhD wa any Facebook wa mi then no working no see me working mo see me jolly no see me working me na ga imade only me call the ban na when he report my way iti wa wo no get since then wa mayere na gele do we di mo gbe do bi si ri la o wa do bi si no ga working me no we see me or we go agun we go agwan yota man come my go agwan no problem no ke on the block man no ke on the block man ciao ni me ti call ibo o yin no wo ki me see me kekebe no wa audio wala wo ibi agbon if he does not understand my native language, which is Edo language, please just do me a favor to click, just share it. I believe by your sharing it, there are so many people who understand the language in your platform. They understand what I'm saying. Please, a little favor, that is what I needed from individual. Just share this link. I want this thing to go viral, to go to Ebobanosa, most especially families of Ibizugbe, not just all the Ibizugbe's family in the whole world, because we have so many Ibizugbe's family in the world, in Nigeria, in Edo State. Most especially Ibizugbe that came from Owa, in Odiom local government, Owa, a village before Abudu. When you are coming from Benin City, a village after Uwe, when you are coming from Benin City, a village before Abudu, when you are going to Agbo. Please, wala wo, Ivi Bizugbe, ekenia wenia gboria meji ate merian gboria mo a rian di okwo a bojo e ate bojo go me we gbedan e na ri okwo but e man we di okin raje wala wo ibi agbon iwa digwe we ni wagbon na re idigwe wala wo wagume shi ona emi wageso bibi bizugbe no kebo balo sabe wo wa ebo no mobude kere o mobude no nya Lighthouse Polytechnic wo wa Omobude no me church we New Benin. I forgot the name of his church. Wala wo Iwedo, Waliyo Bome. I don't know where do I go from here. That is what I needed. Wala wo. Eme vani abe bi eme muedia. These people, they are witch, and they confess by themselves that we are witch. The only thing you have to do, please help us. How do you revive us? And what do I do? That is what I'm asking for. Because that is what I need. I want the whole world to hear what I'm saying. Please, even if you cannot understand my language, please, my number is there. You can call to ask me some questions. Maybe I will tell you more of it. The one I forgot. Please, I do beg everybody that this is the favor I needed from everybody. Please do share this link. Share this Facebook. I give you the authority to share it. Share it, as even if you can share 1 million times. Share to any group you belong to, so that Ibizugbe's family, they can understand what I'm saying. They can, because I told them before, even if you guys will not give me a listening ear, I am going to social media. I want to go and look for help. That is where I came now. That is why I came here. That is where I am now. Please, do me a favor. Even if you cannot understand the whole language I have speak since, just help me to share this link to as many people you can share to. I believe for some time it will get to the families of Ibizugbe. If it will get to Owa, I need the Owa people to help me. I need the Ebobanosa people in Odiom local government to help me. I need everybody, whether you are a native doctor, whether you are a pastor, whether you are a seer, whether you are a prophet, wherever you, whatever, any religion you belong to. Please, I need a justice. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? I'm married from a bad family. A bad family gave birth to a bad wife, and a bad wife gave birth to a bad children. Where do I go from here, and what do I do next? I summoned those people in the Noge's Palace at Obe, Ikpobahi. They refused to answer me. As I speak with you now, more than a month ago, they refused to visit the Noge. They neglected the Noge. I really don't know what to do next. I think 3, 4, 5 days ago, the Noge forward the letter to them again that we are still waiting for you people, and they refuse to come. What do I do, or where do I go next? Please, help is what I need. I really don't need physical help, maybe by giving me money or by sending money to my account. That is not what I need for now. Iyoboniwa need the Obuwa is share. Let Dan Iyayi and Naija Wash and every other Facebook presenter and social media, anywhere, share it to any group you belong to in this Facebook. Wala wo. Wala. Degi mogele gbe lady na no bokimena. Ge pate giagbon gba me. DJ mebe no giagbon gba e giva bola ma gbe. Dege be imanara ibi Bizugbe mi no gbe do bi si no bokimi obe so an gbe lo popa wo yan. Wala wo. Ibi Bizugbe no kebo ba lo sare Owa Odiom local government ve Uwen Otedo be Nigeria. Be no wala wo. Ibi Bizugbe ya Bizugbe bu won tagbon. No wa kebo ba lo sare vo wa. Ibi Bizugbe ya bo wa ni o. Ibi Bizugbe, a Bizugbe is a family, is a grandfather name. So the name of my late wife is Godfrey Igbinavie. A guy's name may your soul rest in peace, my honorable in-law. I respect you and I demo your enoqui because the thing in fact the thing came as I was so traumatized. I went through trauma. How it was or the way it is or how it looked like. The hunger in me now, I cannot prove it to you because I beg a picture of my or phone. I went through trauma. In fact, I was so traumatized for what I went through in the hand of those stupid people. They are evil, they are stupid, and they are devilish. La wo ibedo wagume rana emi wagume rae wagume so bien wage so be ma no tie mewe a why we na wu nu obokana why we na wu nu opiana na la wo na gome TV bizugbe na ga ma mekeni ajo ekeno ikekeni ajo ijoge no gi ne yati azo iya mare ika me we omo no bi wa bia me okewu oka o ohuwa mu ojaze ni ae wa onu wa bia mi ni ya gbije me na meke na ka wuje me ogbe dorisi that ije me in a way you sure say no mama kid doris me ni ga no be di oni owe no be ije owe no be ije but my grandmother gave me something to kill ije. They said I'm the one that is they gave me the assignment to kill ije, which is ije me ije dorisi no ije working me. If they hear me, we make na beg face me say because ti di egbemele ibisu na my people no waya na ma. Ije working me o ya bere mi yo wi me which me at lawani ni je me wu. Really? Ije me wa lawani be gani o we da so akia je me. But ana be zigolo to zigolo ku egbe na be do ran be be. They go get working me ya pakire. O we na the say o we na be so akia o ma si be de ba o ba na de ba o we soki o ona wa le keke na pe. E be ya botin na tie ije zegbe na no di ona. Iye baby ito an o wa eni oyo no nekwi ebo nekwi no o te kwekwe but ye bo fast ebo no wa nya ebo na la o efo age natural keke efo ago yi o be logun we me ibi agbon wala o justice e need wagume TV bizugbe ya wagume TV bizugbe no di on e bi ere manani an ege yu mu e mo oge obi be wi eke mi ya die oje be ka mo me bani awe ni la wowo di me go ni ya gwa lo boro ni make sure we see here kekere tin ni bi mesu unu yi bolua that whatever my children have said he is not surprised where ijin agun akana where maybe they maybe ijin ye magele ba rotin he ready they can deal with him where otin ne ke lo wu ijin me ye be see here. He is now giving me the authority or the audacity to drag his mother to anywhere. Okondo mami ekwe ni make sure we is anywhere. Wala o bi agbon wa ni yo bo me wala ho my brother wagume shi ona emi my way like video de na ya bi me ma no we me mo boje me I witale me yanje but my way me run near pass through we no yan me beje na no yan do atu me bi agbon wa gesi bi oba no sa ibi ebo ba no sa bo ni ameke na gume na bi bizugbe oba no sa forum we Europe mana I believe we are but I really don't know their name. Wala wo wa gesi bi ibi ebo ba no sa bo ibi bizugbe Caesar wala wo wagesa obo kekebe e Michael no ye maleke no ye gas name mo ye maleke kekebe Jolly BHND oya gas name mo re kekebe Made kekebe Ijiziegbe no wa odion boku ito an o eniyan kekebe vie awuyan oni agbe me ni agborije me ba me we otiyan wu ni bi agbon meke na ka wi ma ogbe owiyan no ga obo ki me na la wo keke me to me na be si an adi oge no ge be obi me ri ka ne we na mama and the grandmama plus the mama sister na he do something to take kill my mama. Now what is they want to kill my mama? Now he kill their mama. So please, I just need a little favor from you guys. Share this video to anybody that will help me. I need a justice is what I need in this thing, not just a maybe I need some money from any other from anybody. Please just put your hand on your sharing. Share to any group you belong to in any social media. Please. I just need the justice to prevail because I have went through trauma already. I went traumatized during this thing. I know what I'm saying. Just do me a favor by sharing this thing. Please share to all social media. Wagume broadcast on YouTube. ibi bizugbe ebo banosa wa he need the justice wala wo ebo banosa ibi bizugbe e Caesar e Maleke e Jolly itohan kekebe imade iya oni awu megbe wala wo wa je sunu video wala wo ayoko denari ima ri ari eti hin gbe ma ibi oko begbe dan na bi oko dan na be do bi omo dan be ni me e mo via bi me iya jaze ni ai wala wo ibi agbon wala wo be no wa ya the boy ya click on me ya share o no make na say ibi bizugbe gbe no wa ya mu mi no mama na yo megbere e o sa bo no la wo uponu wa wa agbe bagbon we ni no re me na no yo bo share na emi oga ye 100 years old o no gbe o sa lo bo ato boy 10 years by oga ye 90 years old o sa lo bo ato boy 10 years by inu uponu ya ru o no wo agbe bagbon God will add another 10 years to it.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddy. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.